Hey guys, thanks for watching this daily video analysis, and welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Silver here today before the non-farm payrolls, and risk disclaimer here. Support if you have questions, please read the disclaimer, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, to follow us on Instagram, and yeah, if you have questions you can send an email to support. The only way to communicate with Learn to Trade is if you'll send an email to support. So silver sideways movement, okay, and after this massive sell-off, it has tried to rebound, but it has failed to take out 20.227, this resistance, signaling exhausted buyers, signaling strong downside pressure. Right now, yeah, in the short term is trapped between 20.227, 19.900 and 14. Escaping from this pattern could bring us great opportunities. Personally, I'm looking for potential shorts because the pressure is still high. The bias remains bearish. Silver could still extend its downtrend. Okay, we have a downtrend, actually here a potential reversal, and yeah, it could still extend its sell-off in the short term. And this sideways movement, the current sideways movement, could represent a distribution pattern, a downside continuation pattern. And yeah, later today the fundamentals will move the markets. Non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, average hourly earnings, and Canadian economic data. These are seen as high impact events. Anything could happen, and most likely silver could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. So that's why right now I'll try to catch something in the short term, maybe a new sell-off. And also probably I will manage my position right before the non-farm payrolls, before the economic data, because anything could happen. And then I will look for something else after the data dump, after the US and the Canadian economic data release and publication. But yeah, right now it seems that maybe this was only a temporary rebound, and it could come back down. After its false breakout here, it could maybe it has signaled a potential downside breakout from this range and downside continuation, and coming back towards the former lows and staying here, it could signal an imminent breakdown and continuation here. So this is my opinion about silver. I'm looking right now for a potential short, or I will look also for potential trades right after the US data, after the Canadian data. And don't forget that it could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term, but technically the pressure is still high, the bias is still bearish, and yeah, I'm looking for potential shorts here in silver. Okay, thank you guys, and risk disclaimer here, please read it. Support if you have questions. Learn to trade forex signals if you want to join the VIP groups. Bye bye.